If your iPhone's battery drains from 5 to 8% overnight, then that's not something to worry about. But if it drains more than that, then you should do something about it. Before you go for a battery replacement programs, these are the tips and tricks that you should follow to fix idle draining on your iPhone's battery. Your iPhone mostly remains idle during the night. Then it would be better to disconnect your device from Wi-Fi or cellular connection before you go to sleep. Since the applications that require internet connection to run won't be throwing any notifications at you, which is why your iPhone might be able to save a little battery during the night. If you leave Bluetooth on throughout the night, then this might result in losing some battery charge, which is why it is recommended to disconnect any Bluetooth speakers or headphones from your iPhone before you go to sleep. And if you're not using Apple Watch, you can also turn off the Bluetooth option on your device. Next step is to adjust the brightness. It will not only save battery on your iPhone, but will also protect your eyes. So this also is something that you should try if you're taking care of your battery or your eyes. Apple introduced low power mode in 2015 with iOS 9, and this feature will help you gain additional hours of battery life. However, your iPhone's performance will take a hit, and features like mail fetching and automatic downloads might not also work properly, but you can just turn off the low power mode and you'll be good to go. Third-party applications like Facebook, WhatsApp and Skype use your location throughout the day, and if given permission, they can do so continuously. This can cause your iPhone's battery to drain overnight if you're using any such app. Now, I'm not asking you to uninstall these applications. I totally admit that social media is a big part of our lives, but you can definitely turn off the location feature of these applications. So all you have to do is just go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and turn off Toggle for Location Services. But if you want some specific application to access your location, then you can also do that. In a day, we open a lot of applications on our iPhone and we forget to close them. And this happens almost all the time. This means that the application is still running in the background even if we are not using it. With background app refresh enabled, the data is constantly refreshing, resulting in a better experience. But this experience comes at a cost of battery draining. It eats up a lot of iPhone's battery pretty quickly, so it will be useful if you turn off this feature before you go to sleep. Alternatively, if you notice that some application is consuming more battery than others, you can also turn off background app refresh for that particular app only. Regular app updates can keep your iPhone healthy, and a better battery life can also be a benefit of updating applications on your device. While Apple does it once a year, third-party developers follow this practice numerous times per month so that they can kill the bugs inside the app and thus enhance the performance of their iPhone app. Apple rolls out iOS update every year, and with each update, they try to give us some new features and squish some bugs. So updating to the latest iOS version, if available, can be highly beneficial for you. It not only has the potential to fix the battery issues, but hell lot of other issues as well. Apple introduced battery usage tool in iOS 9, and ever since then, it is a great tool to keep a check on your battery stats. You should definitely give it a try to look at all the apps that have been consuming most of your battery charge on your device, and then take necessary steps like uninstalling or offloading that app. So at this point, we have covered pretty much each and everything that you can do on your own if your iPhone's battery is draining overnight. But if these tricks haven't fixed the issue for you, then you should definitely contact Apple's authorized service center. Before that, if you'd like to check if your iPhone is covered under warranty, you can do that on check coverage page of Apple's website. If these tips have helped you out in any way, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you like to stay updated with everything Apple, then make sure you download the iGeeksBlog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.